ChatGPT is not just a toy for answering trivia questions. People are using it right now to build freelance businesses, launch digital products, automate services, and pull in real income. And most of them figured it out within a few weeks of starting. In this video, I'm going to give you the actual playbook, not vague ideas, but specific ways people are making money with ChatGPT today. Welcome to Node Pulse. I'm all about practical AI applications, and today we're getting into one of the most searched topics in this space: how to actually make money using ChatGPT. I'm going to walk through multiple income streams, explain how each one works, and tell you what it takes to get started. Some of these require skills you already have. Some you can start with almost no experience. Let's get into it. Let's start with the most accessible one: freelance writing and content creation. Businesses need content constantly: blog posts, social media captions, email newsletters, product descriptions, website copy. ChatGPT accelerates how fast you can produce all of this. A skilled human writer who uses ChatGPT well can produce 3 to 5 times the output of one who doesn't, which means you can take on more clients or charge competitive rates while working fewer hours. You don't need to disclose your AI usage unless a client specifically asks. What they're paying for is the deliverable. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and LinkedIn are full of businesses actively looking for content help. If you can produce high-quality work consistently and on deadline, you can build a solid income stream here. The key to this working is quality control. ChatGPT's first draft is a starting point, not a finished product. You need to edit, fact-check, add specific examples, and inject a human voice. The writers who fail at this are the ones who copy-paste raw AI output and call it done. The ones who succeed treat ChatGPT as a collaborator. It handles the heavy lifting, they handle the judgment and refinement. That combination produces content that clients can't get from cheaper alternatives. Next is building and selling prompt packs. This sounds niche, but it's genuinely a real market. There are people selling curated collections of high-performing ChatGPT prompts for specific use cases: marketing, coaching, real estate, legal, HR, and more. Platforms like Gumroad, Etsy, and PromptBase are where these products live. A well-curated prompt pack for a specific profession can sell for $10 to $50, and once it's made, it sells passively. The business owners and professionals who want AI's benefits but don't want to figure out the prompting themselves will pay for a shortcut. The more specific your prompt pack, 100 ChatGPT prompts for real estate agents to win more listings, rather than a general business prompt pack, the higher the conversion rate. Chatbot creation and setup is another income stream that's growing fast. Small businesses increasingly want AI chatbots on their websites. For customer service, lead capture, FAQ handling, tools like VoiceFlow, BotPress, and even simple ChatGPT-based integrations make it possible to build these without being a developer. You can learn the basics in a weekend, then offer chatbot setup as a service to local businesses or clients on freelance platforms. Setup fees run anywhere from a few hundred to a few $1,000s depending on complexity, with optional monthly maintenance retainers. The businesses buying this service see it as magic. You see it as connecting a few tools together after a weekend of learning. YouTube automation and faceless channels are one of the most talked about ways people are using ChatGPT to build passive income. The model is straightforward. Use ChatGPT to write scripts for informational YouTube videos. Use text-to-speech AI for voiceover. Use stock footage and screen recordings for visuals, and post consistently to build a channel. Some creators are running multiple channels in different niches simultaneously. The income comes from YouTube AdSense once you hit monetization thresholds, plus affiliate commissions and sponsorships. It takes time to build, typically 6 to 12 months before meaningful income, but the content production cost is extremely low. Digital course creation is another powerful application. If you have expertise in any field, ChatGPT can help you turn that knowledge into a structured online course at a fraction of the traditional time investment. It can help you outline curriculum, write lesson scripts, create worksheets and quizzes, and even draft your sales page copy. Platforms like Teachable, Kajabi, and Gumroad host and sell your course. You create it once, and it generates income indefinitely. The expertise has to be real. People can tell when a course is hollow, but the production process is massively accelerated with AI. Affiliate marketing with AI-generated content is a well-worn path that's become more efficient with ChatGPT. The idea is simple. You create content that ranks in search or gets traffic on social, and you earn commissions when readers click your affiliate links and make purchases. ChatGPT can research products, write reviews, produce comparison articles, and help you optimize for SEO at scale. The key is picking affiliate programs with decent commissions. Software, financial products, and online courses typically pay 20 to 50% commissions. Finance and SaaS affiliate programs routinely pay $50 to $200 per conversion, which means even modest traffic to well-written content can generate meaningful monthly income. Resume and LinkedIn profile writing is a service that sells itself. Job seekers are desperate for good resumes and LinkedIn profiles, and most of them don't know how to write about themselves effectively. ChatGPT is exceptional at transforming someone's bullet point career history into compelling, achievement-focused resume copy. Pair that with LinkedIn profile optimization and interview prep scripts, and you've got a service package. Fiverr has tons of buyers in this category, and the work is quick once you have a system. A good resume writer using ChatGPT efficiently can complete 3 to 4 resumes per day at $75 to $150 each. That's a significant daily income from a few hours of work. Social media management is a service that businesses pay for every single month. Most small businesses know they need a social media presence, but don't have time to manage it. If you use ChatGPT to handle content creation, captions, hashtags, content calendars, response templates, you can manage multiple clients' social media accounts efficiently. The recurring revenue model means you're building income that compounds month over month. Start with 1 or 2 local businesses, deliver results, and grow from there. At $300 to $600 per client per month, managing 2 to 3 platforms, 5 clients generates $1,500 to $3,000 a month in recurring income. Finally, consulting on AI implementation is a high-value service that's in serious demand right now. Businesses across every industry know they need to figure out AI, but don't know where to start. If you invest time in understanding how ChatGPT and other AI tools apply to specific industries, you can consult businesses on how to implement them. This could be setting up workflows, training teams, selecting tools, or building custom solutions. Consulting rates in the AI space are high because the expertise is genuinely scarce and the ROI for businesses is often immediate. The thread that connects all of these is this: ChatGPT multiplies the output of skilled people. It doesn't replace skill, it amplifies it. The people making serious money with these strategies are not just running prompts. They're combining AI leverage with real knowledge, work ethic, and business sense. That combination is hard to beat. Pick one of these income streams that aligns with what you already know or can learn quickly. Don't try to do 5 things at once. Go deep on one, build it into a repeatable system, then expand. If you want more practical AI money-making strategies, hit subscribe. We drop new content every week. See you in the next one.